In this video, I'll guide you through how to close a survey on Surveymonkey. Whether you're wrapping up a research project or simply ready to analyze your data, closing a survey is a crucial step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to ensure your survey is closed properly, preventing any further responses from being collected. First, you'll want to navigate to Surveymonkey's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in surveymonkey.com. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already. It's important to ensure you're logged into the account where your specific survey is housed to access the right information. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, look for the All Surveys tab. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all the surveys you've created under your account. This is where you can manage each survey individually, making it easy to locate the one you wish to close. Now, scan through your list of surveys and select the one you intend to close. Once you've identified it, click on Edit Survey. This option allows you to make any last-minute changes to your survey. Though for the purpose of closing it, we'll move on to the next step. Next, you'll see an option to Publish Survey. Click on this button. Publishing your survey signifies that it's live and ready to collect responses. However, to stop collecting responses and effectively close it, we need to delve a bit further. Look for the collector associated with your survey. This is essentially the channel through which responses are being gathered, whether via a web link, email, or another method. Next to this collector, you'll notice three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these three dots to reveal additional actions you can take with your collector. From the drop-down menu, you'll see Close Collector. Selecting this option is the key step in closing your survey. It tells Surveymonkey to stop collecting responses for this particular survey. Click on Close Collector, and a confirmation prompt will appear. Finally, you'll need to confirm your action. Once again, click Close Collector in the confirmation prompt. This ensures that no more responses will be accepted, effectively closing your survey. It's always a good idea to double-check that the collector is indeed closed by revisiting the collector options to ensure your data collection is complete. And there you have it. Your survey on Surveymonkey is now closed, and you can move on to analyzing your collected data. This process is straightforward but essential for ensuring that your survey results remain accurate and manageable. Remember, once closed, a survey cannot collect additional responses unless you reopen the collector, so be sure to close your survey only when you're ready to stop receiving data. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying.